kalusugan ng mga alagang aso ang
Hello, good evening. Hello, hello.
Yes. Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello, good evening, mommy and
Cái này là cái
and two. Where is?
Bóng ơi, bóng, học học tên Ánh này. Vô đó ngồi học thực tế.
Này học cả dư.
Oh
Học chưa
no,
tên Ánh.
Tên
Bóng
mày
ơi.
ai đấy?
hello, and two. Good evening.
Mày
Hello.
tính.
Are you okay, and two? Hello, and two. Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, and two? Are you sick? Are you sick?
Đẹp.
Yes. Oh, how are you? Are you happy today? Can you study?
Ngôi mới chẳng được. Ngôi.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Antu? Or are you ready? Are you ready to learn something today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, wow. So for this one, this will be the continuation of our lesson yesterday. So this will be our lesson about spring. So we talked about spring yesterday. And let's take a look at the picture. So this is the bikes.
Bạn.
Very good. And so for this one, teacher has a question and two. Have you got a bike? Do you have a bike? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. What color is your bike? What color is your bike?
Xe đạp của bạn màu
No.
gì? Xe đạp của bạn màu gì?
What color is your bike?
Pink.
Pink. Wow. So let's say the color of my bike is pink. Let's say the color.
It's a pink.
Yes, very good. The color of your bike is pink. And can you ride a bike? Yes or no?
Bạn có biết đi xe đạp không?
Can you ride a bike? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, wow. And is it difficult or is it easy or easy?
Khó hay dễ? khó
Dễ.
hay
Anh
dễ?
em khó.
Is it difficult or
Mm.
easy? Easy or difficult?
Difficult.
Oh, difficult. Oh, it is difficult. So next, so teacher has another question. Can you share your first riding on a bike? Can you share to teacher? What happened on your first ride on a bike?
Bạn có thể chia sẻ trải nghiệm lần đầu tiên đi xe đạp của mình không?
What happened? Is it fun?
No.
No. Is it fun riding a bike? Yes or no?
No.
No, you don't find riding a bike fun? It's no. So what is your experience riding a bike?
No.
No? This one. Can you listen?
Bạn có kinh nghiệm gì khi đi xe đạp?
What is your experience? Are you
No.
happy? No. No. So you can your did you fall? Did you fall on a bike? Yes or no?
Ngã xe đạp à? Bạn bị ngã xe đạp à?
Did you fall? Yes or no?
No.
No. Let's say I don't fell. Let's say I don't. I don't fell. Yes, no. So let's say no, I don't. Let's say this one. Let's say no, I don't.
No.
I don't. I don't.
No.
Yes, let's say I don't
I don't
fell
feel
riding
riding
a bike.
a bike.
Very good. Good job, Anne too. So
W
next.
bike.
Very good. So next, let's move on to these animals. What animals are these, Ansu? What animals are this?
Đây là những con vật gì?
What animals are this? These
Con
are
chim.
the birds. Let's say the birds.
Bird.
Very good. So now teacher has a question. How many birds are there? How many?
Có bao nhiêu con chim?
How many birds? Let's count.
3.
Wow, very good. There are 3 birds. Good job. And where do you think are they? Where are they? 3. Very good. They are 3. And where are they?
Họ ở đâu?
Where are the birds?
Trên cành
Ở
cây.
đâu rồi? Chim ở đâu rồi?
Where are the birds? They are.
Ở trong chuồng. Ở trên cây.
Where are they? They are in the tree.
Tree.
Yes, very good. So the birds are in the tree. So they are in the branches of the tree. So very good. So next.
Tree.
Very good. So next. Are they a family? Are the birds family?
No.
Có phải là một gia đình không?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And why? Why are they family?
Tại
No.
No. So yeah, so our answer here is yes, they are. Yes, they are. Let's see. Because they have the same color.
Color.
Yes, same color. Let's say, yes, they are. Yes, they are. Because they have the same color. So what color are they? So teacher has a question. What color are the birds? What color are the birds?
Những con chim này có màu gì?
What color are the birds? They
Red.
are what color?
Red.
White,
Green. Red.
green. They are
Red. Green.
they are brown. Color brown. What color are they? They are brown.
Brown.
Very good. Good job. So these birds are a family because they have the same color. So very good. So next, let's go with our next one. So what are these, Antu? What are these in the picture?
Đây là những gì?
Flowers. Very good. The flowers. Let's say the flowers.
Water.
Very good. One more time. Let's say flowers.
Wood.
Very good. And do you know the name of these flowers, Antu?
Bạn có biết tên của những bông hoa này không?
Yes or no?
No.
No. So we call these flowers as tulips and daffodils. Let's say tulips. Let's say tulips,
Tulip.
daffodils.
Daffodil.
Tulips and daffodils.
No.
No. So these are tulips and these are the tulips. These are the daffodils. So next, let's answer another question. So do you know other names of the flowers? Yes or no?
Bạn có biết những tên gọi khác của loài hoa này không?
Yes
No.
or no? No? How about rose? Do you know a rose? Do you know rose?
No.
Bạn có biết hoa hồng không?
No? So a rose is...
Yes.
Yes, wow, rose is color. What color is the rose? What color is the rose?
Hoa hồng này màu gì?
Rose is color
Red.
red. Wow, very good. Rose is color red. Good job. So next, teacher has another question. Which is your favorite flower, Antu? Which is your favorite flower?
Bạn thích loài hoa nào nhất?
Do you
No.
No? How about sunflower? Do you know a sunflower? Yes or no? Sunflower.
What? No.
No,
Yes.
no. Do you like tulips? Do you like tulips? Yes or no?
Bạn có thích hoa tulip không?
Do you
Yes.
like? Yes. How about, do you like daffodils?
Bạn có thích hoa thủy tiên không?
Yes.
Yes. How about, do you like flowers?
Bạn có thích hoa không?
Do you like
Yes.
flowers? Yes. Wow, very good. Good job. So next. So let's go with our next one. Let's say the rain. The rain. What is this, Anto? This is the rain.
The wind.
Very good. And do you like rain? Why?
Bạn có thích mưa không?
Why?
Tại sao?
Yes.
Bạn có thích mưa?
Yes. Why do you like the rain?
Tại sao bạn thích mưa?
Why do you like the rain?
Nó đẹp.
Because I can play in the rain. Why do you like the rain, Anju? Because I can play in the rain. That is why I like the rain. How about you, Antu? Why do you like the rain?
The wind.
The rain. What do you do? What do you do when it is raining?
No.
No, no. What do you do?
Bạn làm gì khi trời mưa?
What do you do when it is raining? Do you play? Do you play?
No.
No?
Bạn có chơi không?
No?
Yes.
Yes. So let's say yes, I do. Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes, I do.
You.
No, I don't. Let's say no. No, I don't.
No.
Very good. No, I don't.
No.
So next, let's go with our next one. So next, what is this, Anju? What is this? This is the
Yeah.
Gì? Đây là cái
Yeah.
gì?
rain. We call it the rainbow.
The wind.
Bow. Rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Very good. And how many colors has a rainbow have?
Cầu vồng có bao nhiêu màu?
Top.
How many colors? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very,
Seven.
very good. 7 colors. Good job. Very good. And what colors are in the rainbow?
The window.
Yes, what colors are in the rainbow?
Cầu vồng có những màu gì?
What color?
Dark. Red.
Red, orange,
Blue.
blue,
Yellow.
yellow,
No. Green.
green. What color?
Blue.
Blue,
The wind.
indigo,
Indigo.
purple.
Purple.
Very good. So these are the colors of the rainbow, the 7 colors of the rainbow. Good job, Ansu. And for this one, my friend says that a rainbow is in cloudy days. Is that right?
Bạn tôi nói rằng cầu vồng chỉ xuất hiện vào những ngày nhiều mây. Có đúng vậy không?
Is that right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, it is. Let's say yes, it is. Yes, it
Yeah.
is. It is. So let's read this one. A rainbow
A rainbow
comes
comes
when the
when the
sun shines
sunshine
and the rain
and the wind
falls together.
start the weather.
Very good. So the rainbow, so we can also see it in the cloudy days, but mostly, so the rainbow comes when sun shines and rain falls together. So very good. So next, Okay, so what season is this, Antu? What season is this? This is the
Đây là mùa gì?
this is the
Mùa-
Mùa
spring.
đẹp.
This is the spring. Let's see.
Halloween.
Very good, spring. So can you tell teacher some typical things in the spring?
Bạn có thể cho tôi biết một vài điều đặc trưng của mùa xuân không?
What are the things that we can see in the
No.
spring? This one, do you know what animal is this?
No.
Bird. This is a bird. Bird. How about this?
Green.
Yes, this one is flowers. Flowers. Let's say flowers.
Flower.
Then butterflies. Butterflies, sun,
Song
and rain.
and wind.
Very good. So these are the typical things in the spring that we can see in the spring. So the birds, there are the birds, the flowers, the butterflies, the sun, and the rain. So that is the things that we can see in the spring. So do you know, and to which month does the spring start?
Mùa xuân bắt đầu vào tháng nào?
Which month the spring start? It starts in March. So spring starts in March.
Cinnamon.
March. So next, how long does it last? How long does it last?
Nó kéo dài bao lâu?
How long does the spring last?
No.
It lasts for 3 months. 3.
Lemon.
Very good. So the spring lasts for 3 months. So next. Okay, so let's look at the picture and two. So what is this place? What is this place? We call it a camping site. Camping site. Let's say camping site.
Camping sun.
Very good. And what are these children doing? What are the children doing in the picture?
Các em nhỏ
Yeah.
trong bức ảnh đang làm gì vậy?
What are the children doing in the picture?
Đạp. Chơi đạp.
They are playing ball. They are playing ball.
Bob.
Yes. How about this one? What is this children doing? She is riding a bike. She is riding a bike. Yes.
Riding a ride.
Very good. So for this one, Ansu, so we will end our lesson here because we do not have much time, but we will continue this lesson in our next class. Okay, Ansu? Okay. Okay, so bye-bye, Ansu. See you again soon. Let me go to your...
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. See you. Let me go to your brother. Hello,
Ông cứ để trong
Em là
Qua.
teacher.
Hello. How are you today, Dankwa?
Is
Are you happy today? Are you happy? Yes. Wow. And are you ready for the continuation of our lesson today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So for this lesson, Dankwa, so this is our lesson last night. So we will just continue it until we finish this lesson. So we are here now in our main idea and supporting details. So when we say main idea, Dankwa, so can you read this one?
Main idea is the big house of a story of Paradise Path. It tells us what is in more to the book.
Very good. So now let's read these words one more time. So this one is, let's read it as paragraph.
Paradise,
Parag,
paradise,
graph.
graph,
Very good. Paragraph.
paradise,
Okay, good job. Next is mostly.
mostly
About.
about
Okay, very good. Good job. So when we say main idea, so it is the big point of a story. It is the focus of the story. So let's take a look at our example here. So we talked about last time about Bonkers. So Bonkers is a dog that barked at many things. So for this one in our story, so our main idea is dogs. Can you read our main idea?
yes.
Okay, let's read this one. Dogs
Dogs bark
at
dogs sparkle as humanity.
very good. So dogs bark at many things. So that is the main idea in our story last time. So it is about Bonkers. So what do you think is the supporting details that we have for the dog barks at many things? So let's have here the meaning of supporting details. So can you read this one?
Supporting them this are to small first or ensembles tasks ensemble into many ideas.
Very good. So now let's read these words again. So let's go back here. So let's read this one. Examples.
Example,
Very good. Explain.
explain,
Good job. So when we say supporting details, so as we can see in the graph, so these are the supporting details. Supporting details are small facts or examples that explain the main idea. So in here, so we have here the main idea, which is dog barks at many things. So what do you think is the things that dog barks? What are the things? So let me put this on. What are the things that dog barks?
respect, living,
Chó sủa những tiếng gì?
What are the things that dog barks? Let's go with this first one. What animal is this?
cat,
Cat. Very good. So we have here a cat. So our first supporting detail is dog. Can you read this one?
cats,
Very good. So dogs bark at cats. How about this one?
dogs bark at birds.
Very good. Wow. So dogs bark at birds. How about this one?
Dog, bag,
What animal is this? Squee, 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 squirrel.
squirrel,
Very good, squirrel. How about this one?
dog, bag, cat,
Cars and
a cat, and bike.
very good. So these are the main idea and supporting details. So our main idea, so dogs bark at many things. What are those things that they bark at? So they bark at cats, birds, squirrel, cars, and bikes. In the story, Bunkers likes to bark. So very good. So next, let's go with our next one. So teacher has a question for you, Dangwa. Do you have a dog? Yes or no?
Bạn có nuôi chó không?
No,
No, oh, you don't have a dog. So let's skip this one. But for this one, so teacher will answer this one. So my dog barks at people or strange people. So teacher, yes. So my dog barks at cats. So these are mostly the things that dogs barks at. Okay, so next, let's go with our next one. So for this one, for this activity, Dangwa. So you will read the sentence and you will circle the subject in each sentence and you will underline the predicate. And for this one, let's read first our sentence.
bunker là chụp bag.
Very good. So bunkers like to bark. So when we say subject, so subject is who or what.
Bú ổ,
Yes, so when we say subject, it is who or what. So for example, in our first sentence, the subject is, who is the subject?
what,
Yes, who is the subject in our first sentence?
subject,
It's
what,
bunkers.
bunkers,
Yeah. Yes. Oh, the subject in our first sentence is bunkers. And the predicate, on the other hand, so the predicate is this one. Can you read this one?
and the bus is the actions of what's happened.
Very good. So let's read this word once again. Let's say predicate.
Predicate,
Very good, predicate. So when we say predicate, it is the action or what happens. So in this one, in this sentence, so this is the predicate. This one. This is the predicate. Can you read the predicate?
is large bag.
Likes to bark. So our predicate here is likes to bark. The predicate is the action that is being done in the sentence or what is happening. So now let's read our number 2. Let's read number 2.
Bunker là chụp bag. A cat,
Very good. So let's take a look in this one. What or who is the subject in the sentence? Who is the subject?
subject,
Yes, who is the subject in number 2?
Chủ thể trong câu số 2 là ai?
Who is the subject? So when we say the subject is the who or what.
Ngữ là ai hoặc cái gì.
The subject is the who or what. Who is the subject?
What?
Subject is,
us,
it is
bunker,
Bunkers, very good. So Bunkers is the subject because he is the main focus in the sentence. And our predicate is the action. What does Bunkers does?
Like to pass a car.
Very good. So like to bark at cars. So that is the predicate. So let's go with number 3. So can you read number 3? This one.
The dog like to bark at kids.
Very good. So let's take a look in this third sentence. What is the subject in number 3?
So the
What
dog
is the dog? Very good. It is the dog. Good job. And what does the dog do? The
like
dog.
to bark at kids.
Very good. That is our predicate. So good job. So this is our subject and predicate. So let's go with number 4. Let's read number 4.
The family has a dog that likes to bark.
Very good. So let's go with this one. Which is the subject in this sentence?
The family
Yes, very good. So the subject here is the family. And what is the predicate, or where is the predicate?
has a dog that likes to bark.
Very good. So good job. So the family has a dog that likes to bark. So very good. So I can see that you understood the difference between subject and predicate. So for this one, can you make your own sentence? Adangwa,
Bạn có thể tự tạo câu của riêng mình không?
can you make your own sentence?
To the grandma has a dog that likes to bark.
Can you say it once again? My
My grandmother
has a dog.
has a dog that likes to bark.
Wow, my grandma has a dog that likes to bark. So for this one, which is the subject in your sentence? Where is your
My senses. My grandma
yes, and the predicate is
has a dog that likes to bark.
very good. Good job. So for this one, Dankwa, can we reset the Teams because it has a timer. So let me just chat it with your mother, okay? So you will go back to the meet, okay? So let's just restart.
Teacher,
Yes,
the police my goa.
yes,
Big teacher is my goa. Me is my goa.
you will go to the bathroom.
Is the rainwater.
Ah, okay, sure, sure.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Daqua. Did you finish drinking your water?
Yes.
Yes, wow. So now let's proceed with our lesson for today again. So good job in this activity, Dangkwa. So you have understood the difference between subject and predicate. So good job. So next, so we will talk about plural. Plural. Can you say this word? Plural.
Plural.
Yes, very good. So when we say plural, Dangkwa, so it means, so what is plural?
Plural means most than one.
Very good. So it means more than one. So we have singular and plural. So when we say singular, from the word itself, single. So it has only one. But plural, it's more than one or two or more. So let's have here an example for you to understand more about plural. So we have here the example. Can you read our first example?
This the example a pen. Two pen.
Very good. A pen, two pens. So let's go with this first example. So when we say pen, so it is only one pen. It's only one. So for the plural, so we will add an S. We will add an S to make it plural. So for this one, yes. So if we have two pens, so we will use the word pens with an S. So let's take a look with our second example.
Pen.
This one.
Pen. Three ball.
Very good. Three balls. So for this one, when we only have one ball, so we will use the word ball. Only one ball. But if we have two or more balls, so we will use the word balls. Two or more balls. So we will just add. So how can we make a plural? So we will add S at the end of the word. So that is our plural. So let's go with our examples here. So let's take a look with our first object. What is this, Dangkwa?
Apple.
Apple, very good. So this is an apple. And what is the plural form of the apple? So
Yes.
we will add S after the apple.
Yes.
The plural form will be
Apples.
apples, very good. So we will just add S. So let's take a look with number 2. What is this object?
Balls.
Ball. Very good. So our plural is?
Ball.
What is our plural?
In. In.
We will add S.
S. Balls.
Balls. Very good. So this will be balls. How about in number 3?
Rocks.
Frog. So frogs is the plurals because we will add S. So good job. How about in this object?
List.
Plates. Good job. So we will add S. So next,
Books.
books. Very good. So this is the plural of book. How about number this one?
Chicks.
Chicks. Good job. Next,
Trees.
trees. Very good. So that is our plural. So that is our plural dangwa. So we will just add S at the end of the word. How about the word this one, car?
Um.
What is the plural of car? It will be
Mm,
What is the plural?
cars.
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 Very good. How about cat? The word cat. What is the plural of cat?
Cats.
Cats. Very good. So cats. How about bird?
Birds.
What is birds? Very good. So birds is the plural of the bird. So we will just add s. Okay. So just remember. So when we are making an object a plural, so we will add s at the end of the word. So very good. So next, let's go with our next activity. So can you write the letter B? Can you write letter B? Use
Yes.
your
Bạn
pen.
có thể viết chữ B không?
Write the letter B.
Yes.
Use your pen. Use your pen to write letter B in the picture.
Hãy dùng bút của bạn để viết chữ B trong hình.
It's
Do you have
not. It's not pen.
Oh, you don't have pen?
No.
No. Okay, so teacher will just write the letter B. So this is how we usually write letter B. So this, we will go from this and this,
Yes.
like this one, letter B. Okay, so next. Okay, so for this one, we have here our phonic B. So it sounds like B, B.
B.
Yes. What does it sounds like? B. Sounds like B. So what animal is this?
Yes. B.
Bear. Let's say B, B, bear.
Bear.
Very good. So let's take a look in this below, in this letter below. So this is the big letter B. Big letter B. How about this one, Dankwa? What is this? Is it big or small B?
B. B small.
Small. This one, what is this?
B would do it.
This one. This is a small.
Big. Big. B small.
Yes. So let's take a look in this picture. So we have here the big letter B. So big. This one is the small letter B. So teacher has a question. What is this, Tangwa? Is this big or small B?
Big.
Big. How about this one?
Small.
Small letter? What letter?
Small letter B.
Very good. Small letter B. How about this one?
Big letter B.
Very good. And this one is?
Small letter B.
Very good. Good job. So next, let's go with our next one. So for this activity, so we will write the letter B, big letter B, and small letter B under the pictures which name begins with letter B. So let's take a look in this picture. What is this, Dangwa?
Oh.
Ball. Very good. Does it start with letter B? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So we will write here big letter B and small letter B. So next, this one. What is, yes, this is a dog. Very good. Does it starts with letter B? Yes or no?
No.
No. So we will not write big and small letter B. How about this one? Do you
Bus.
know? Bus. Very good. So this is a bus. Does it start with letter B?
Yes.
Yes, good job. So we will write the big letter B and small letter B. This one. So next, how about this one? Our fourth picture. What is this?
Plane.
Plane. Very good. This is a plane. Does it start with letter B?
Oh,
No. Very good. It's no. How about this one?
wow.
Bike. Very good. Does it start with letter B? Yes or no?
No.
This one?
I
The
guess so.
the bike? It is yes. Very good. So let's write big letter B and small letter B. How about in this one? This is a block. Block.
Wala. Wala.
Does it starts with letter B? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. How about this one? What object is this?
It's
It's a
hammer.
hammer. Very good. Does it start with letter B?
No.
No. How about this one?
It's book.
Book. Does it start with letter B?
Yes.
Yes. And our last picture. Does it starts with letter B? What animal is this?
Is
Butter.
butter.
Butterfly.
Butter.
Yes. Does it starts with letter B? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So very good, Dankwa. So this will be the end of our lesson. So we will go to another lesson in our next class. So very good, Dankwa. And thank you so much again for your participation today. So you did a great job, Dankwa. So practice more. So teacher suggests you practice writing the big letter B and small letter B. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So thank you, Dankwa. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you again, teacher.
See you. Thank you so much.